Cutting edge is a figurative expression that refers to the forefront of innovation, progress, or development in a particular field or area of expertise. Derived from the literal meaning of a sharp edge capable of slicing through material with precision, this metaphorical term embodies the notion of being at the forefront of advancement, pushing the boundaries of knowledge, technology, or creativity. At its essence, the cutting edge represents the leading edge of change, where new ideas, techniques, or technologies are being developed and implemented to solve existing problems or address emerging challenges. It signifies a departure from conventional practices or outdated methodologies in favor of novel approaches that promise greater efficiency, effectiveness, or impact. In the realm of science and technology, the cutting edge denotes the most advanced and pioneering research, discoveries, and inventions within a given field. It encompasses groundbreaking innovations that have the potential to revolutionize industries, transform everyday life, and shape the course of human progress. Examples of cutting-edge technologies include artificial intelligence, biotechnology, quantum computing, and renewable energy solutions, among others. Moreover, the concept of the cutting edge extends beyond tangible products or technologies to encompass broader intellectual and creative endeavors. In fields such as art, design, literature, and music, being on the cutting edge involves pushing artistic boundaries, challenging conventional norms, and exploring new aesthetic frontiers. It encompasses avant-garde movements, experimental techniques, and innovative expressions that provoke thought, evoke emotion, and inspire change. Furthermore, the cutting edge is characterized by a spirit of exploration, curiosity, and risk-taking, as individuals and organizations venture into uncharted territory in pursuit of new knowledge or breakthroughs. It requires a willingness to embrace uncertainty, overcome obstacles, and persevere in the face of setbacks. At the same time, it offers the promise of discovery, advancement, and the realization of untapped potential. In business and economics, the cutting edge represents a competitive advantage gained through innovation, differentiation, and adaptability. Companies that operate on the cutting edge of their respective industries are able to anticipate market trends, meet evolving consumer needs, and stay ahead of competitors by continuously refining their products, services, and business models. Moreover, the cutting edge is not static but dynamic, constantly evolving as new ideas, technologies, and paradigms emerge. What may be considered cutting edge today could become commonplace tomorrow as innovation progresses and new breakthroughs arise. As such, staying on the cutting edge requires ongoing learning, adaptation, and a commitment to continuous improvement. In conclusion, the cutting edge embodies the forefront of innovation, progress, and creativity across various disciplines and endeavors. It represents a commitment to pushing boundaries, challenging the status quo, and embracing change in pursuit of excellence and advancement. By remaining at the cutting edge, individuals, organizations, and societies can harness the power of innovation to address complex challenges, drive economic growth, and shape a brighter future.